In today's video, we are going to be looking at how you can link your PayPal account to Mpesa. Hi, my name is David from freelancerinsights.com, and as I said, it's time to link your PayPal account to Mpesa. So by default, when you open the PayPal account, you'll be met, if you're in Kenya, paypal.com/ke/home, you will be met by just this nice graphic of move your money around the world with Mpesa and PayPal. So just link your Mpesa and PayPal accounts and enjoy a world of possibilities. Now, first of all, this news came about sometime in April of 2018. So depending on when you're watching this time, I just wanted to let you know that. And it's possible for you to link your account, withdraw your money from PayPal to Mpesa, upload or top up your PayPal account directly from Mpesa using a paybill number. And the reason why I like this is because you now have the freedom to at least get your money in less than a day. The only unfortunate thing with PayPal to Mpesa is that it's taking about 2 to 72 hours to get your money, depending on the amount that you're trying to withdraw. Something else, please note that the transactions limit by Mpesa also influence this, so you cannot withdraw. I think at one go you cannot withdraw over 70,000 Kenya shillings, and that will take you a couple of days before it arrives in your Mpesa. So I still feel that this process needs to be faster, needs to be instant, and the standard time to send you money is 2 hours to the second. So let's dive in to the linking process. So you need to just click on link accounts, and that's what I'll do. I've never linked my account, so I'll just click on link account, and if I hover over link account, to the bottom left of my screen, you can see that it's going to take me to a website called PayPal, https://2// and www.paypal-mobilemoney.com/Mpesa. So I'll just click on that, link accounts, and it will open a new tab for me to be able to set up my account on paypal-mobilemoney.com/Mpesa, because that is what you're required to do. You're required to use an intermediary. And so this is welcome to the PayPal mobile money service with Mpesa. Finally, in Kenya, you can now move funds between your PayPal to Mpesa accounts. Your money, your choice. So I can check how it works, but I think instead of doing all that, the simplest thing that I'll do is just I'll click on get started, and I'll avail all the links to all these websites in the description box below. So don't you worry. So I'll just click on get started, and this will open up a new window which will tell me to log in to my PayPal account. Which I will do. So hello David, I'll just maximize it. Hello David. PayPal mobile money service with Mpesa operated by Transfer2. So the company behind this service, this awesome service, is Transfer2, and I believe Transfer2 can do a better job by making the transactions instant, probably for things like $300 and less, at least make the transactions instant. So this is what is going to happen. Access some of your profile information: full name, birth date, time zone, locale, language, email address, address line, and all these things. Charge your account for future purchases, so you can always know what this is about. Access your PayPal account balance and display it for your convenience. You can revoke this consent at any time from within your PayPal account settings. So this is a good thing that you have the option to revoke all these terms and conditions when you feel like. So this is what I'll do. I'll just click on agree. Just a moment, which is processing my consent. Now it will automatically take me back to the PayPal mobile money website, and it's already picked up my number. I don't need to check out anything else, and all I'll need to do now is just click on link your accounts, and instantly I'm sent a confirmation message by Safaricom. Your PayPal mobile money service with Mpesa confirmation code is, and I'll just enter that confirmation code and click on confirm. And this is the final step. So your PayPal account has been linked to your Mpesa. So I'm literally done linking my account with PayPal, and I can just click on starting using the service. And simply to tell you is that it's that simple to link your account to PayPal mobile money by transfer to. And this video was about linking your PayPal account. One, your names, your addresses need to correspond with what you have on Mpesa and what you have on PayPal, because all those details are used to avoid maybe getting an error of you cannot link your account and all those things. So for this video, your PayPal account has been linked to your Mpesa. So all I need to do is just click on start using the service. In the next video, I'll show you how to send money from PayPal to Mpesa, or how to withdraw your funds from PayPal to Mpesa. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe if you're not yet a member of this channel, and like the video, share with your friends. And until next time, bye bye.